Welcome back to 5-Day Crypto, everyone. My name's Chase. Today is January 8th of 2021, and today we are looking at Chainlink, Bitcoin, and XLM, also known as Stellar Llumens. If you have a coin you would like to have requested to be covered, I will be happy to do it. Just leave me a note in the comments, and please remember to like and subscribe. That's all I'll ever ask from you. I have nothing to sell you. Always free content. So let's go ahead and look at what we got going on. So Chainlink is stalled out again. He's always on the start line, and he always stalls out when Bitcoin is moving. As you can see, Bitcoin is still making all-time highs, currently at 41,278. That guy needs to simmer down if we want altcoins to run. Although Stellar Llumens didn't get that memo. It is booming. So in our link trend, this is our weekly chart. This is our 21-week moving average. This is critical support in a bull market. As you can see, I think we're in a uptrend channel right now. Until we get up to our previous all-time high, I think we're going to stay in this channel. And if you look back in history, I think we're in a very similar move to where this was here. If you look back at this run up, then a bleed down, stabilize, get up in a channel until we get to our all-time high and then explode. Look at this. Run up, bleed down and drop, back up in the channel until we get to our previous all-time high. This is our all-time high right here. Chainlink just below $5. As soon as it clears 5, explosion up. 4x from here. Went from 5 to 20 in a few weeks. So that's what I'm looking at here. It looks like a very similar move to me. We're just recovered from our capitulation. Look at these big wicks. We're back up in this channel. I believe we just had this move. See this here? About 2 or 3 weeks ago. Came out of that downtrend. Here's a shorter downtrend. We went from 468 all the way down 364. That was a nice move down. And I think we're in this final rally here. So look for maybe a few more weeks at the most. I would say maybe a month if we have to, really play it out. If you weekly slots here. So 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, February 1st, first week of February maybe, second week of February, it's got to start clearing somewhere around here. Certainly, we still have plenty of time for Q1. I think the altcoins are really going to have a massive surge sometime in Q1. Way bigger than what we've seen so far. Once Chainlink clears this all-time high, I fully expect another move like this. So if we look at our previous big moves here on an estimated scale, look at this. Let's see here. From our bottom to our top, 120%. Next bubble, bottom of the move to the top, 180%. So that's a little bit more. 120, 180. How about our next move? Let's see, where do you want to take it from? We'll take it from here. Kind of like the start of the move, right? So the bottom to the top. Modest 450%. Okay, so 120, 180, 450. So we could do anything. If we get to our all-time high, let's do 120 from our $20. Say we break out, early mid-February, 120%, $44. Sounds pretty appetizing. 180, $56. There we go, 450. 450% if we did a move just like we did before. 100 and almost 110. Some people are calling for that. We shall see. But either way, once you clear an all-time high on any coin, you're going to have a big explosion. If Chainlink can hold this channel, get above all-time high, there's no reason we won't have a massive, at least 100% move. 100% is over $40. So be patient. This could do anything between now and then. We could go up, hit this top, come all the way back down. It could take longer than you expect. It could be shorter than you expect. Chainlink kind of does what it wants when Bitcoin has control. So don't be surprised if maybe we hug this top line. That would be great. And just boom out. We could come back down here. Look at this. Like, look at all these, look, the range of these back in here. $4 to $5. That's a lot, percentage wise. So in 2 weeks time, it's up and down 20-30%. Look at this. So 20-30%. Look at these moves. This would be devastating. You know how many people would give up if we went back down to $11-12? Not saying we have to do that, but just saying, like, those look like nothing moves, but those were big back in the day, in the time that it was happening. So this channel is, 30% up, 20-30% down. Just be wary. As long as we don't break outside of this, we'll keep you updated every day, as we normally do. Chainlink every day. Now look at Bitcoin. You can see once it got to previous all-time high, look at the move. That's why we're in that move. If our all-time high was 50,000, we wouldn't have made this strong a move yet, in my opinion. But once you can break above an all-time high, it's fireworks. Stellar Llumens just doing massive explosion. It's up 200% in the past week. It's showing very strong, almost like topping out kind of strong. For the short term, these signals are all above 80, which is honestly usually a good time to sell, not to be buying. You don't generally want to be buying a coin after it's moved 200% in a week. Doesn't mean it can't keep going up, but usually the smart money has been buying back in here. If you bought, back in here, geez, you're doing real well. Even at any of these levels, you've doubled your money. So right now, we could be coming back down a little bit. Maybe it simmers down while Bitcoin is still going up. Then you'd have another move. So when altcoins start really booming, you're going to know it. We haven't seen anything yet. So just be wary. Our crypto fear and greed index, we're at 93. We're still well within our range. Top is 95. Bottom is 86. We've hit both levels multiple times. As long as we stay in that range, we are good. 5-Day Crypto 1 on Twitter. Link is below. Send me a message there. We also post some separate charts there occasionally, so some different stuff. Any questions? I'm happy to help. I'm here for you guys. Thanks for joining. We're still early. I think we're at 130 subscribers, so I appreciate it. Anything I can do to help you, let me know. If we get a crazy move coming over the weekend, maybe I'll hop on and do a video to help you out, keep you updated, see what's going on. If we go way up or way down on Link, Bitcoin, whatever, any kind of crazy moves, maybe I'll throw something up over the weekend. So now we have our card of the day. It is the ultra new, the ultra rare, 1 of 63 in the world, Lamborghini Sion in the matte olive green with the rose gold wheels. Amazing. There are only 2 real ones in the United States so far, going for, I think, $3.5 million a piece. Yikes. Don't crash it. Hard to get another one. Here's some real pictures. there is our quote of the day right in this area, all over this area. With that, guys, I'll leave you. Get back to what you're doing. I'll see you Monday. Have an awesome weekend. 52 gold stars. Thanks so much.